Are there any motions or points? Haiti.
Motion to introduce amendment to line 20 of draft resolution 1.
That is in order. Please proceed.
Urge all member nations to unite together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are there any motions or points? Haiti.
Motion to open the speaker list for 30 seconds.
That is in order. We have now a motion to open the speakers list with a speaking time of 30 seconds. Delegates in favor of that motion, please raise your placard. All those opposed? This motion passes. Delegates wishing to be added to the speakers list, please raise your placards. Haiti, Ireland, Kenya. Haiti, you are recognized for 30 seconds.
The percentage of adults in Haiti is lower than that in other countries, so it is nearly impossible to eliminate child labor. You have time to check.
Thank you, Haiti. Are there any motions or points? If not, then Ireland, you are recognized for 30 seconds.
In Ireland, we have little.
Thank you. Thank you. 30 seconds.
Kenya does have a lot. I use the chair.
Thank you, Kenya. We will now proceed to vote on this amendment. Delegates in favor of this amendment, please raise your placards. This amendment passes. Are there any points or motions?